Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can reset your password on Perpay. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open your web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.app.perpay.com/login. So once you do this, you will end up in this kind of page. So you need to press on the forget password option. After you do this, simply type in your email address or your phone number to get the reset password link and press on reset password. So now all you need to do is simply go through your email and check if you have got any mail from Perpay or not. So if you have got one, then simply press on it and press on reset password. So now you will be redirected to this page where you need to type in your new password and then simply type it again to confirm your new password and simply press on the submit button after you are all done. So after this, you can successfully reset your password on the Perpay. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.